Do you know what the single most important and truly essential tool you'll undoubtedly need as your growing company, as your expanding recycling business truly grows and flourishes? Now, I am going to show you the very best, the most incredibly effective, and indeed, the absolutely essential one. If there's one tool that's absolutely essential, it's the one I'm about to show you. Let me introduce you to it. The human being. Bahia, for example, here. Bahia, how long have you been with me?
15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
Guys, there is no better tool than looking at someone who's standing with you shoulder to shoulder, who knows what they want in life, who understands the purpose for which the company was created, right, Bahia?
Right.
Do you believe in my company, Bahia?
I do.
Do you believe in the environment?
I do.
In recycling?
In recycling, I believe.
So guys, it doesn't matter if you have machines and equipment if you don't have the most effective tool, which is the human being. Without that, without Bahia here, my company certainly wouldn't be complete. I'm not saying this just because he's here with me, no. Because, thank God, Bahia has a commitment first to himself, to his family, to society, and to the company itself. And when someone knows what they want, where they want to go, they won't spare any effort to help your business grow. So you can have several trucks, lots of equipment, but if you don't have a person who can help you grow, all of that becomes useless. Look here. See this truck here? This truck here, look, it needs a human being. See this one here? This forklift also needs a human being. Come with me. See those trucks over there? They're also operated and controlled by people. Machines and equipment need humans. No tool more useful or more effective than a human being has ever been invented. So if you truly understand how to effectively work with and genuinely connect with other individuals, you will not merely possess a source of labor or a simple tool. Instead, you will gain a valuable partner, a dedicated individual who will actively assist you in your journey to grow, to prosper abundantly, and to significantly multiply the inherent talent, the divine gifts that God has graciously placed within your capable hands. Any equipment you look at inside my company or inside your company, there will have to be a human being there.